Listen, the bank loves it when you take out a bond with them and they get to sell you an overpriced, outdated insurance policy. The same when you see a lawyer or a professional in order to structure a buy and sell agreement between you and your partner. Once again, inefficient, outdated life insurance policy. Here's the two main problems. Number one, the premiums are going to run away with you, okay? They're going to knock your teeth out at age 55, 60. Trust me when I tell you this, the premiums become unaffordable. You can run the numbers and check what it's going to be in 20 or 30 years from now, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Second problem is you're chucking in millions into that policy and you get nothing out of it while you're alive, okay? The only people that's going to score is the people that stay behind when you die. A 4-4 investment policy solves both of those problems. The premium increases are palatable. They are sustainable. You can actually pay them for the long term. And whether you use that policy for personal cover, for insurance on your bond, for a buy and sell agreement between you and your partner, you are going to get tax-free lump sum payouts at the age of 65 for a decade. At age 65, come your next birthday, you start getting lump sum payouts equivalent to 50% of your life cover, all right, in 10 payments. So let's say your life cover is 50 million at the time. Half of that is 25 million. They're going to pay you out at 2.5 million age 66, 2.5 million age 67, 2.5 million 68, and it goes on and on for 10 years. So half of your life cover divided by 10, lump sum payments for the next 10 years. You see, then this is not just a policy. It's not just a buy and sell instrument. It's not just risk cover for your bond. This is an investment as well. If you need help, links in the bio. Be blessed.